1.54-inch passive NFC ink screen. No batteries required. Display never lost. Beautiful memories preserved forever. For example, the humorous chicken panda. Family key ring identity photo nameplate. Children love it. Pet nameplate. Your pet will love it. Reserved ornament holes. Can be used for bag ornaments, key ornaments, etc. Metal frame. Full of texture, more upscale, draw-proof, and more durable. Use demo. The NFC coil position is different for different phone models. Please do not move your phone while refreshing. Follow me to stay updated on the latest products and tutorials in the electronic embedded industry.